Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a makeup tutorial or anything that has to do with makeup. Obviously, I already have my makeup on, but more about hair. So I'm going to show you how I transform my short hair into something completely different. But yeah, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join our family, help us grow. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. Those will all be linked down in the description, so make sure you check that out down below. This video is going to be in collaboration with Insert Name Here. They are a hair brand, and they have like extensions, wigs, ponies, buns, bangs, like you name it, they have it. And I am so excited to try it out. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump into this video so I can show you what this is all about. What I'm going to be trying out today is their pony, and this is the Miya pony. Like, look how gorgeous. It's so long. It's 24 inches. Okay, so like I said, this is a Miya pony. It's 24 inches long. It is made from Japanese synthetic fibers. It does look and feel very real. This one is long and straight. They do have some that are curly. They have some that are shorter. It just has like this Velcro wrap. So you just wrap it around your natural pony and then seal it. And you can use this as a high pony, a mid pony, a low pony, doesn't matter. You can also braid it if you want to. They are heat resistant. You can straighten these or use heat tools on them. And then this is also their #1 seller. That's why I wanted to do this pony, because this is their #1 seller. I love my short hair, and you guys saw it for the first time in the last video, but I love having short hair. But the one thing I do miss about having long hair is my high pony. I love a good high pony. I wear them very, very often. At least I did when my hair was long. So I love that this gives me the opportunity to have that back. And this pony was actually used in the Ariana Grande In Your Head video. Like, how crazy and cool is that? And then it retails for $49, so it's not super expensive. And mine is in the shade Natural Black. I'm also going to be showing you guys these bangs that are so cute. Okay, so these are actually the Zoey bangs. Like, how cute is my name? Zoey bang. And they're just like a fringe bang, and they're like 12 to 14 inches. But they can be customly cut. Like, if you want to cut them yourself, you can cut them or have them cut. This one's actually made from Remy human hair. So this one literally feels identical to my own hair. And then it has like 3 little snap-ins right here. You can just place it at the top of your head. It's really easy to put in. I've actually tried it a couple of times already to kind of get used to it, to kind of get like the feeling of like how to apply it correctly. And then this is also 100% hand tied so that it is very seamless. And this is also heat resistant and can be styled up to 320 degrees. And these retail for $65. These are a little bit more expensive just because this is human hair. But I think that's so cute, especially if you want to change up your look and not like permanently do it. I think this is a great way to go. Like, I like bangs, but I don't like them all the time. So I'm excited to like put this in my hair. I might put this in with my hair up in the pony. We'll see. I don't want to do it down because my hair is just a tiny bit blacker than the bangs. In the summertime, my hair will lighten up a little bit and be a little bit more naturally matched, but my hair is a little bit more black than the bang. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person you can see it. So I'm gonna have this in my hair when my hair is up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I put this pony in and show you what my hair looks like when I am done. So this is before, cute, short. Okay, so now that I have all of my hair up, it's basically just pinned and hairsprayed and gelled down in the back, but we're not going to see the back very much. It does look nice and neat back there. What I'm going to just do is kind of just stick this. So it comes with like 3 little prongs right here. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm going to stick that into my ponytail, and I'm going to begin to wrap this around my pony. Alright, so this is what she looks like on. Like, she's so pretty and long and full, and like, I'm gonna show you what the bangs look like on now, so you can kind of get an idea. I haven't cut them yet though, and I need to because my head is really small. My face is really small, so I do need to trim them to kind of fit my face, but I'm gonna show you what they look like on. Okay, so this is what the bang looks like on, but I want a straight bang, but obviously they are way too long for me, so I am gonna cut them and kind of try to style them. Even if I didn't cut them, I could use them as like a side bang, which honestly is like coming back into style. She's kind of cute. Honestly, with the bangs, like I need to play around with them a little bit more. I need to cut them for sure. My face is way too small, but she is really cute. And I love that they're named Zoey because obviously my name is Zoey. I'm excited to kind of play with them and kind of get them to match me a little bit more because I really like the way they would look with the pony. But yeah, so I'm going to take the bangs off really quickly so you can just see what the pony looks like, and we can close out this video. Okay, yeah, so that is it. That is how I transform my hair from short to long, literally in minutes. Also, if you have a trouble matching your hair, you can send them a DM and send them a picture of your hair in natural light, and they will help you choose a color. You want to make sure when you have a pony in that you have a very nice hold to your pony because these ponytails are pretty heavy, so they will kind of tug. So if you don't have a secure pony, it could possibly slip out. But I really love having the opportunity to switch my hair from short to long literally within minutes with this very cute hairstyle. And it's very easy for me because I'm a mom, I have a new baby, and having my hair in a ponytail or having my hair pulled back out of my face is the best scenario for me. So I really love I get to do that with this. So that is it for this video. Thank you again to insert name here for collaborating with me on this video. I really love these products, and I definitely think you should check them out. I'll leave all the information down in the description. You can use my discount code Zoey10 for some money off if you'd like. But yeah, that is it, guys. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.